UK.
Welcome to the vlog today, ladies and gentlemen. Today we've got some well visors we will be putting on. We have Landon back here in the background. He's going to be filming for me as I put them on. It's also going to, get some little reviews in. The last rain guards I had were really garbage. I got them off of Walmart, and they did what they needed to do. They looked cool, whatever. They did okay job with like the wind resistance, but like when winter came, the 3M that was on there, like when I washed my car, once it got like cold and stuff like that, just immediately froze over and like the rain guards popped off. I had to like super glue them on, and so we don't want that today. So let's roll. So like I was saying earlier with the last rain guards I had, where it was like when winter came and like the water expanded and it popped them off, and the 3M got messed up. It was just like a pain in the butt trying to put them back on, but what's nice about the well visors is they come with these little hooks. You can't really tell because they're covered in styrofoam, but you just peel them off and they're right there. There's a little bit of goo and residue that gets left over, but you just rub them with your finger or like a rag. It comes off pretty easily, as you can see right there. So there's 3 of them, the hooks on the first one. You just kind of pop them off. We'll get this 3M tape taken off. Alright, next we're just going to go up. Just want to line this up. Whoa. My subscribers are gonna think I'm retarded.
Hey, it's all good, brother.
All 2 of them. Alright, just gonna line that up. Push down all around it. One down, 3 to go. He lied. So like originally, I hadn't planned on getting, rain guards for a while, just because I plan on eventually doing like some flares on it, going a little wider. I think that'll look really good, but I've been itching to just kind of do stuff with the car, and I'm trying to figure out stuff with my warranty, with how much I can do with the car actually. So just figured, might as well. Really pretty easy install. The only thing that was like a pain in the dick was taking that 3M tape off. I mean, am I gonna get in trouble for saying that on YouTube? I mean, Logan Paul can put a dead body on there, so if I get in trouble for saying pain in the dick, you guys, you're down YouTube, but alright. Yeah, now we just gotta line up the back ones. And voila! That's all you have to do. I'll put the link in the description for these. We are gonna go test them out and find out if they work better than my cheap Walmart ones did. So, initial impressions of the rain guards do a really good job of keeping the wind noise down and out of your face. I was actually pretty surprised by it, especially compared to my cheap Walmart one. Definitely recommend it. Love the look. Love what they do. And that's all.